Crypto market is just falling down since December like an avalanche because the Fed has increased the interest, and now we saw a green light in February when the market just bumped up a little bit. But now these bump ups are turning into dump by this guy you are seeing on the screen named Putin. He is the president of Russia and he is trying to invade Ukraine. Why he is doing so? What could be the effect on our global economy, crypto market and stock market? And what you should do as a crypto trader and how you should save your money from this big hazard and big bloodbath which could come soon. And I'll be explaining you every single thing. And if you are for a specific part to see on this video, so you can check out, I have put time codes so that I can help you out. So also subscribe up my channel. I'll be keep on uploading videos related to crypto, NFTs and Web3, and I have made a script even. Let's begin the video. Well, first let's talk why Russia wants to invade Ukraine. It's been months that Russia is sending a lot of army at the borders of Ukraine, and America has asked why it is doing so. Well, Russia didn't give a perfect answer for this, and there is a big reason behind this. First, I want to explain you what is NATO. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, which includes 28 European countries and 2 North American countries. And what NATO and why it was created and what is the purpose for all this? Well, NATO was created to stop Soviet Union to spread its like it was trying to conquer everything under it when at the times of war of World War II and after all what happens. That's a big history to be explained, so this video wouldn't be enough to explain all those things, so I'll be going on simple basic detail which is necessary for us as a crypto traders. So Russia what wants is that it wants that Ukraine shall be a part of it now. It shouldn't go under NATO, whereas NATO is increasing from that time, and NATO has already conquered 28 European countries. Like it's not conquer, it is just like they are connected together now. They are just friendly with each other, and they have become together a power. And Ukraine was also thinking to go into NATO, but Putin is not ready to do so. And also the culture and background are similar of Ukraine with Russia. And also I want to tell you about China and Taiwan. The same conditions are preparing between China and Taiwan, and what could happen next? Well, maybe China would attack Taiwan, and maybe nothing could happen. Nothing can be said about that, and effect could be bad on our cryptocurrencies and all those markets, because this would lead to a big global economy affected very badly. And if China and Taiwan fought, then it could become more worse. Now I'll be telling you what you should do as a crypto trader. First of all, I suggest you to keep your investment long. The reason behind this is because the things gonna happen and the market could fall further. Maybe if the things get worse, like as I have told you about China and Taiwan, and the things could get worse, then you should keep your investment long. If you have invested a lot of money and if it is already in loss, then you should keep your money like that. Otherwise, there is a second option, that is you should take out your money, convert into USDT or any stable coin, and then when the bloodbath occurs after maybe 2-3 months, or I don't know, you will observe it soon, and you should put your money in that, and then after a year or 2 years you will get the biggest 10-20x benefit. And I am sure about this because when World War occurred and the market just fall so much badly that they were almost dead. But do you think that crypto and stock market will end up like this? No, this will not happen. If that could happen, then stock market would not have been here, and it could never stop. This is the business, so don't worry, this will never stop. Crypto will rise. The reason behind this is now let's talk why crypto could rise. Why crypto could rise? Well, after this wars and all these things, crypto will rise, as you saw in February, and the economy just increased, so the crypto just bump up. Well, you already know that crypto is still doing fine, and when the war occurred, crypto just fall down and everyone was worried, but after a day it suddenly bumped up and came to the same prices, and at the time it is going fine, like it's almost under 40k, but maybe it could go under 35k in future if the things got worse. But if everything got fine, then it could easily pass 40k as it did in February. So no need to worry, your investment would be safe. So you should keep on investing in crypto and subscribe up my channel. I'll be keep uploading videos related to crypto and that would be helpful for you. Comment me down if you found any problem in this video, if it wasn't helpful, and also like the video if it was helpful. See ya.